Hello everybody, so in this video we'll be learning HTML web page layout. What is that? So if you see in the website, there is always a particular structure is followed. Suppose in this web page we can see a app bar, the main content, the sidebar, this is also sidebar, and you can see after main page, main content, at the ending there is a footer which is below the sidebar as well, content as well, and this sidebar as well, which is same like top app bar. We having a footer in the at the end of the page. Similarly, if you see in this VS Code, there is some layout structure here. You can here is the editor particular structure, then app bar, then you have a sidebar. This is the sidebar, then you have side navigation as well. So on particular clicking you can see this changing. Then if you click on settings, then there is a particular layout. So this is the core structure for particular website to be learned, which is a very essential to learn. So in this video we will be covering this layout structure. In this video we'll using external link, external styles that I have told you in previous video. So here first of all we'll use this external CSS, so that in this video you will be also learning about padding and margin, etc. So first of all, as usual, we'll use a document type, HTML document. Then you will be using head tag. In head tag, as always, you will using the title, and in this title we'll use layout tutorial. This is for layouts. We'll use a body tag, and inside body we'll having our everything. First of all, I will write in body. As I had told you, this is the header section. In HTML there is a header element, by default it's given, in which we will be writing h1 tag my web sites. Okay, so you can write like this, my websites. Now after the header, header, okay, maybe header. Okay, after header, if you can see here, there isn't some navigation bar tag. So we'll try to use that navigation. This is navigation. You also using this for first time. So the nav element represents section of page that links to the other pages or to parts within the page. A section with a navigation links. So suppose this is the navigation links. If I click on this files emoji, I'll go to Explorer. If I click on search icon, I'll go to search. If on git, source control, run debug. Okay, so this is a particular navigation. Similarly, so we'll use this directly. We'll use the links. This is just a general home section, about section. You may see this at every websites, standard websites. So here you can see a navigation bar. Okay, but these are not clickable, so I'll use href and similarly copy this. Now you can use the ordered list or unordered list to render this as well. Okay, so we have covered header section, navigation section. Then comes the part main. Okay, so in this we'll be using main content. This is the main tag. Here the main element represents the main content of the body. Suppose here you can see this is the main content of the body or document of application. The main content area consists of content that is directly related to or expands upon the central topic of document or central functionality of an application. So in this main content we'll write, this is our main application. Okay, so here we'll write, this is our main content. So here we'll be writing, this is web page layout using as we are using the external CSS as well, so we'll use that as well. This is our the main, so header, nav, main, and in the end, as I told you, we will be using a footer. For footer, we'll just write this copyright, not 23, it's 25 now. So this is our footer. Okay, but this does not looks like cool. Okay, so footer is here, it's all on the same page. We feel this. Okay, so we'll style this according to layout. Now as first of all we'll style our body. So whatever the font will be given here will given to the whole body, so whole body's font will be changed. Why not it's working? Because in head we have not linked our style sheet which has the reference from style.css. Here comes the end and saves. Yes, font change of the body. Now if you want you can change the color, but no, okay, for now I'll use the background color. I want to show you something. Here you can use, okay, dark cyan, no, something light. Okay, now we'll use a margin and padding as 0. What is this margin and padding? Here you can see a W is and M. This gap is too small. If I use this 10, what happens? Oh, something magic happens. Here you can see it's not coming here. Okay, so I'll now use padding. We'll use margin 0 and padding 40. There is no particular parent element as well there. We'll use in boxes like div. So as we have a header, we have to style this header. So first of all we'll use a background color for this. Okay, but text is not visible, so we'll use this color for text. Okay, here we'll use 10 for both. Okay, it's now looking good. 30, or we can do one thing here, as you as I shown you that padding was not applicable for this body. So here if I use padding 20 pixel, then what happens? Oh. And as this is a header, you can see it has taken a full width and it's also touched to the top side. So I'll reduce this to 10 pixel. I'll reduce this again. I'll use 5 pixel. Okay, now what we have to do, we want this in the center. We'll use text align as center. Oh, cool. Can you use right? Of course. Can you use left? Right. It was left earlier. So we'll use center here. Now, what we have nav item. So we have nav. For now, we'll use again something background color. We'll use F2, F2, F2. Okay. Let me write that. Again, something like white, but not actually white. Now we also want that in center. So is this in center? Yes. Text aligning. Then also, if you see, this is, there is no gap between these two colors. Okay, so we'll use again padding 5 pixel. What happens? Yes, there is little gap. I'll use 10 pixel. I want more gap. So more gap, more professional it looks like. Okay, text align is centered, but this is so unprofessional that it looks like green underline buttons. Okay, what we'll do for a anchor nav anchor tag, we'll use margin as 0 pixel, and what comes here, it is the margin from left. Okay, so now it looks more professional, and but still there we have underline. So what we'll do, text decoration will be none. What will happen if I use this much? Okay, here if you see line through, what will be happen? Oh, just try out with all of the variations, guys, but here we'll use none for now. Okay, and color is blue, so it looks not good, so we'll use, okay, as we have white background, right? Actually it looking like a very cool website. So as of now we have what we have more main. So for this main, we'll again have style, and main is too attached to this left side of the screen, so just will use padding 40 pixel. Let's see what happens. It comes little in between. Do we need to do this? Let's try, but not looking like a more, so everything is in center, so we'll revert this change. Okay, so this will be fine now, and for this I think 5 pixel was enough. Alright, so we have main. Now only thing remained, that was footer. For footer, we don't have any background color, we don't have text color, we also, it is not text aligned center, it's to the left side. Okay, so first of all we'll give a background color to this body. We'll use same color which is for nav items. It's looking good. Then we'll use color, so I think we can use white color, it will be good option. But now again you can see this is too attached, so we'll use some padding over there. So padding will be 220 pixels. So sorry. Okay, what's till then we'll use text align center because we want it in center. Something has been missed by me. Footer. It's reloading. Okay guys, we are now back because something was technical issue, it was not reloading. So as we have footer over here also, now what we can do, we can add one image so it will look more pretty. For image you have to add src, and you know that images slash images.jpg alt I will use of yours, and we can use width as well to reduce this. Oh so sorry, 200. Now it's looking like Batman, so we'll use Batman over here. And also you can use text formatting as we have learned Batman. Let's try with capitalizing everything. Also as we have used this color, we'll use black color. But for the text, what was the text? Text is the paragraph and h2. So h, let's select h2, and for h2 we'll use color. Anything I'll use, but I'll change it to grayish. Welcome. And for similarly I'll use for p. I'm a little bit unsure, but I think we can use like this as well, or this, right? Okay, so if you want to style both the elements with the same, you can use this names of them or class names, and simply by separate by comma, and you can use this color, but little bit faint you will use. Okay, so looking like a Batman website. So that's all about this video. This is particular about web page layout, but in future we'll be learning about how it will look if we go to the mobile. So in this mobile it's really messed up. So how you can convert this to the mobile page layout from the desktop. That's mean it is responsiveness of this website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. Till then, bye bye.